Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there. Dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of woodcraft ideas for custom joinery and woodworking. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Custom joinery and woodworking is an art form that elevates the craft by emphasizing precision, creativity, and individuality in every piece. It involves the careful selection of joints that not only enhance the structural integrity of a project, but also serve as a means of artistic expression. One of the most captivating aspects of custom joinery is its ability to showcase the unique characteristics of the wood being used. For instance, employing dovetail joints in a drawer construction allows for a visually striking and durable assembly that highlights the craftsmanship involved. The interlocking nature of dovetails can create a beautiful pattern that is pleasing to the eye while also providing strength and stability. This type of joinery is often associated with high-quality furniture making, where the attention to detail speaks volumes about the artisan's skills. As woodworkers explore various joinery techniques, they discover how these methods can transform a simple project into a statement piece that reflects their personal style and craftsmanship. Another fascinating avenue within custom joinery is the use of mortise and tenon joints, which have been a staple of woodworking for centuries. This technique involves fitting a tenon, an extension of one piece of wood, into a mortise, a corresponding hole in another piece. This traditional joinery method not only provides exceptional strength, especially in frames and tables, but also allows for creative experimentation. Artisans can play with the dimensions and shapes of the mortises and tenons to create unique designs that stand out. For example, a table leg might feature a uniquely shaped tenon that adds flair while maintaining structural integrity. This blend of functionality and aesthetics is what makes custom joinery so appealing. It allows woodworkers to push the limits of their creativity while producing functional and durable items. Furthermore, custom joinery can incorporate modern techniques and tools, such as CNC machining, which opens up new possibilities for intricate designs. With CNC technology, artisans can create complex joinery patterns that would be difficult to achieve by hand. Imagine a wall cabinet with elaborate geometric joinery that not only holds the structure together, but also serves as a focal point in the room. This kind of innovation allows woodworkers to merge traditional craftsmanship with contemporary design, appealing to a broader audience that appreciates both aesthetics and functionality. The ability to create precise, repeatable joints means that woodworkers can produce intricate designs at a scale that was previously unimaginable, revolutionizing the way custom joinery is approached. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to aesthetic considerations, custom joinery plays a crucial role in the sustainability of woodworking practices. By utilizing traditional joinery methods, artisans can create pieces that are built to last, reducing the need for frequent replacements. For instance, a well-made bookshelf that uses custom joinery will stand the test of time, showcasing the beauty of the wood while minimizing waste. Moreover, exploring joinery techniques that require minimal adhesives or fasteners can further enhance sustainability. Techniques like finger joints or box joints can provide strong connections while allowing for the natural movement of the wood, making them ideal for pieces that may experience changes in humidity and temperature. This approach not only highlights the artisan's commitment to quality craftsmanship, but also resonates with environmentally conscious consumers looking for sustainable furniture options. Custom joinery also lends itself beautifully to personalized projects, allowing woodworkers to create bespoke pieces tailored to individual client needs. Whether crafting a custom dining table designed to fit a specific space or building intricate cabinetry that reflects a client's unique style, the possibilities are endless. This level of personalization not only satisfies the client's desires, but also allows the artisan to showcase their skills and creativity. For example, a custom-built entertainment center could feature joinery that incorporates hidden compartments or unique shelving arrangements, all designed to meet the specific needs of the homeowner. Such projects foster a deeper connection between the woodworker and the client, resulting in pieces that are not only functional, but also meaningful. Moreover, custom joinery opens the door to collaborative projects that bring together multiple artisans, each contributing their expertise to create a cohesive work of art. Imagine a community project where woodworkers come together to design and build a public installation, such as a wooden pavilion or sculpture, utilizing various joinery techniques. Each artisan can showcase their skills, from intricate joinery to creative design elements, resulting in a stunning piece that serves as a testament to the power of collaboration. This kind of teamwork not only fosters a sense of community among artisans, but also elevates the final product, combining different styles and techniques into one harmonious piece. Exploring custom joinery also encourages woodworkers to experiment with different types of wood and their unique properties. Each species has its own characteristics, such as grain patterns, density, and color, which can influence the choice of joinery. For example, hardwoods like oak or walnut may lend themselves well to traditional joints, while softer woods like pine may be more forgiving for intricate designs. Understanding how different woods interact with various joinery techniques is essential for creating durable and aesthetically pleasing pieces. This exploration can lead to unexpected combinations, such as mixing different wood species in the same project, which can enhance visual interest and demonstrate the woodworker's versatility and creativity. In the realm of custom joinery, there is also a growing trend towards incorporating technology and modern design elements. Artisans are increasingly blending traditional woodworking techniques with digital tools, allowing for greater precision and efficiency in their work. For instance, woodworkers can use software to design intricate joinery patterns and then employ laser cutting or CNC machining to bring those designs to life. This marriage of technology and craftsmanship not only elevates the quality of the work, but also expands the creative possibilities available to artisans. By embracing these advancements, woodworkers can push the boundaries of custom joinery, creating pieces that are not only structurally sound, but also visually compelling. Finally, the process of creating custom joinery is a deeply rewarding experience that allows woodworkers to connect with their materials and craft on a profound level. Each joint tells a story, reflecting the artisan's skill, creativity, and dedication to their craft. As woodworkers engage in the meticulous process of measuring, cutting, and fitting, they develop a deeper understanding of the wood they are working with and the techniques they employ. This intimate relationship with the materials fosters a sense of pride and accomplishment, culminating in pieces that are infused with the artisan's spirit and passion. Whether it's a beautifully crafted piece of furniture or an intricate decorative item, custom joinery transforms wood into art, celebrating the beauty and complexity of the craft. Custom joinery in woodworking represents a rich tapestry of creativity, skill, and individuality. By exploring various techniques and styles, artisans can create pieces that not only serve a functional purpose, but also resonate with beauty and craftsmanship. The interplay between tradition and innovation, sustainability and personalization, fosters a vibrant community of woodworkers dedicated to their craft. As artisans continue to push the boundaries of custom joinery, they inspire future generations to appreciate the artistry and skill involved in woodworking, ensuring that this timeless craft remains relevant and cherished in a modern world. Through the lens of custom joinery, the woodworking community can celebrate not only the beauty of wood, but also the stories and connections that each piece holds, making it a vital and enduring part of our cultural heritage. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for Woodcraft ideas for interactive installations in woodworking world. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.